Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open Play Store. Then tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Device. Then go to the updates available, and here you can see all of your unupdated apps. So you can just update them by tapping update button next to each app, or you can just tap update all, and after that all of these apps will be updated at once. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.